Hello, gang. Hello, friends. Hello, gang friends. Look at these. I have some new Born Pretty goodies that I cannot wait to show you because I have a hoovering injury. That's always from the Hoover, the thumb blister. It's when I hoover the whole house in one go. Anyway. Don't hoover, it's bad for you. This is the Fantasy Island collection from Born Pretty. They're cat eyes, they're bananas. So we're going to swatch them. And after this, you can get 22% off at Born Pretty using the link in the description and the code MISSJO20, but it's 22% off you get. So we'll have a little look at them like this, give them a little wiggle bit a few times and then an up and down a few times. Same for every bottle. And then we're going to swatch them. And I do have a video which I will set to come out as soon as this one ends. That is a set using them. It's a bit of a crazy set. Let's just leave it at that. It's a bit blinding. It's a bit of an assault on the eyes, but in a good way. Trying to make rainbows festive. So make sure you watch that video after this one. These colours are so pretty, even without zhuzhing. You know, you don't have to zhuzh. But could you really? I was watching the tennis. See, can you tell? Sign language for tennis. Look at this. I had to stop because I was just mesmerised immediately. I mean, look, you wouldn't have to zhuzh that if you didn't want to. But could you do it? Let me know in the comments. Oh, look at it. Let me know in the comments if you could leave a cat eye unzhuzhed because it looks pretty. I don't know if I could do it. But look. Oh, the glow. Do you know what I think I should have done? I should have left them with a streak glow, or maybe just a swirl, you know, where you push in from the top left and the bottom right to give them a swirl. Cinnamon swirl, because it was more intense that way. Obviously, when you spread out the zhuzh over the whole nail, it's not as zhuzh as if you put it all in one place. But we will bring out the zhuzh on all of these. And at first, the first coat, the colours, they shout at you. Look how pretty I am. Look how pretty I am. But the second coat, they scream it at you. They melt your face with how loudly they scream at you, with how pretty they are. A couple of them, like this green and one of the blues and the red, I think. I don't seem to have much product on my brush, so maybe I just needed to put a bit more product on. But I think some of them I put black behind. I'll show you which ones at the end. I'll show you, just to make them a bit more oomphy, you know. Sometimes cat eyes, sometimes they'll look completely different over black, especially if they're iridescent, but sometimes they just need it behind them just to pop a bit more. Or, oh, how nice is that? What in the Little Mermaid? Is that not gorgeous? Sometimes you could put them over their colour. So put this over a blue, say, you know, like a creme blue. And then the next one is to die for. It's deep. Oh, look at it. I just can't with this. It's so gorgeous. It's just deep and sapphire and delicious. I have a ring coming that's a massive blue stone. I'll show you when it comes. It's a sponsor. So the glow on this, I was holding the magnet for quite a while to bring it all to it. And that just it's just like a nice Christmas evening sky, isn't it? Like a sparkly blue, as if the sparkles were tiny little snowflakes. And this one, why have I not got much on my brush? What's going on? Have you ever painted nails, woman? So yeah, this is the Fantasy Island collection. This is MY 13 through to 18. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You know how to count, I'm sure of it. Do they have other MYs? Maybe. I don't imagine they started at number 13. But these are the 6. Start at 13 up to and including 18. So here we are with the second coat. Do you see what I mean? Look at it. It's so intense. They'll be really good for, imagine a summer sunset with that. Can't imagine a summer sunset getting many views this time of year. Although it's coming summer in Australia, isn't it? In Australia, if you're in Australia, please let me know. Look at the freaking glow on this. It's so pretty. Please let me know. Do you wear like summer nail designs, obviously in summer? So if you got like summery stuff, yeah, I suppose it's normal for them that Christmas is in the summer. It's just so weird for me to think of Christmas being hot. And like Christmas movies don't make any sense if you're over there then, do they? Although I'm sure they have their own Christmas movies. Why just shush, okay? It's summer in Australia, or coming up to summer. And that's when they have Christmas. And I just need to deal with that, no matter how much it messes up my brain. This colour, this yellow, have you seen a yellow Cateye? That bright, amazing. And this green one has a really lovely glow. It's like a fairy princess glow, like a forest. Look, look, look. Actually, it's quite aqua, isn't it? That's lovely. How you all doing? You okay? I hope you're okay. What am I doing? You always ask how I am. I'm okay. I'm all right. Watching a lot of tennis. We've got a Carlos Sinner tomorrow, final. Can't wait. Just ordered some Baileys to be delivered tomorrow, which will probably be, I don't remember the last time I had a drink. Couldn't tell you. Was it this year? Maybe. I'm not sure. Really don't know. But for some reason right now I'm so in the mood for a drink and I don't have any Baileys, so I've just bought some. So that's how I am. Nothing new. Watching tennis, wanting Baileys, painting nails. That's me. That's my life story. So I'm bringing out the zhuzhness, which looks different from the camera's view to my view. Oh, but that's a really nice one, isn't it? Like that would look really nice with some kind of mermaidy scales on it or something like that. And this one is just, I think this might be my favourite. This one and the red one and the orangey one. I like them all. So we'll zhuzh this and then, don't know what happens after that. I imagine I show you them all. But why is there 4 minutes left? I'm not sure. Yes, I did just use my fingers to count from 8 to 12. I'm a letters girl. So I'm just trying a few different things with the magnet there. Sometimes you have to hold it in a spot and sort of give the magnetic-y bits time to head that way, make their way down, make themselves seen, put their hand up. Here, I'm here, miss. And suddenly you get this like, ooh, you know, the longer you hold it, suddenly it just kind of vrooms. Look how pretty that is without zhuzhing. So nice. So nice. And the glow on this is nice. Well, it's really warm. This is good for Christmas. Like a warm, yeah, I don't know, looks kind of rich, you know, colour-wise. Not financially wise. That's a lovely glow. That'd be cool for some flames or something. But again, I'm going to spread it out over the whole thing. I really do wish I'd kept it more in a streak. Oh, you can't see what's happening because it's a different angle to the way I'm looking at it. But look at that. Oh, that's nice. This is not them. These are some other Born Pretty Cateyes. The sea Cateyes. And I'm showing you just because they're gorgeous and you can get 22% off. But also because I picked up this ring. I'm going to put black on just a few of them. On the underside, I'll cure it upside down and then wipe the tacky layer. I picked up that ring that had all those pops on it because I thought I'll put these on there, or I was thinking about something. And I thought they all look a bit dull and kind of grubby. And then I felt them and thought, they feel a bit sticky. And all of those, how long have they been sat there for? No idea. I hadn't topped them. So I must have swatched them in a video. And how did I not top them? And shown them without top coat, because obviously they're shiny and that. And then not topped them. So that was weird. So I had to wipe them all and top them. But look at that with the black under the blue. Do you see how that made it pop? So I did black under the red, the green and the dark blue. But not the others. And they just popped more, you know. Hand, sometimes hand. Not always, but sometimes hand. So that is them. They're super bright, and I was thinking they would look really nice with one of these over it. These are also Born Pretty, the Crush Starlight glitters that are so pretty. Although you can't really tell when you just do it like this, because it's not going to look like that, Joseph. But it would look really nice. Any of those. Oh, look at the one next to the yellow would have gone with the yellow. Just to have glitter over the Cateye. Oh, if you really want to give it some, you know. So that's those. More stuff that you can get 22% off on. I just had them out. And you're the only people who I can be like, oh, look at these. Aren't these nice? You've seen them before, but remember these. You know, no one else in my life is going to get excited about that. So these are the Fantasy Island super bright, super intense cat eyes. And the next video will have them in. All of them. I know. How do I make it festive? You'll see if you go to watch it straight after this. So that's MY 13 through 18. You can get 22% off using the link in the description and the code MISSJO20. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hopefully you'll join me in a sec for the next one. I'll see you then. Bye bye.